Welcome to Integrative Medicine Perspective. I'm Dr. Wenli Liu. White rice is a classic example of empty calorie foods. Because of that, it is often advised to avoid. So, is there any value in eating white rice? Or is it just a useless invention? This is the question that I have come across quite often. So, I'd like to share my thoughts and experience on when to eat white rice. Let's first look at some of the nutritional differences between white rice and brown rice. Compared with 1 cup of cooked long grain white rice, the same amount of brown rice has higher calorie and higher content of water, fat, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. So obviously, brown rice is the winner in nutrition. If we only look at from the nutritional aspect, we should eat brown rice all the time. But there are situations that white rice is more suitable for. So, what are those situations? Let's use some examples. Let's say a person is recovering from a stomach virus. The inside of the digestive tract, the mucosa, may be still inflamed. The gut microbiota, meaning the bacterial environment in the gut, may have not fully recovered. Brown rice not only has higher content of fiber, it has higher content of resistant fiber, which is difficult to digest by the bacteria in the gut. So brown rice is far more challenging to digest than white rice. When our digestive system is weak, whether in its ability to grind food, move food, absorb nutrition, or digest the fiber by the bacteria, high fiber foods such as brown rice is overwhelmingly challenging to the digestive system. So in this situation, white rice and other refined carbohydrates are more suitable. Another example, let's say a person is recovering from surgery of the digestive tract. When the digestive system is not fully recovered from the surgical trauma, when the gut microbiota is severely disturbed, high fiber foods such as brown rice are very challenging to the digestive system. In this situation, again, white rice is more suitable. So people might ask, what about nutrition? White rice does not provide adequate nutrients. How would I recover from an illness or a surgery without adequate nutrition? Very good question. This problem should be managed with several strategies. The number one strategy is a preventative one, which is the most important. Before we get sick, under normal health conditions, we should follow a high fiber plant-based diet. Because when we're healthy, our digestive system is capable. Eating a healthy diet can help enrich and maintain our nutritional reserve. It can also help prevent diseases. In addition, when our nutritional reserve is adequate, we recover from an illness much faster. The second strategy is compensatory. When our digestive system is weak, when we are not able to follow a balanced diet for a fairly long period of time, vitamin supplementation may be necessary. It may be even more necessary in people without a good nutritional reserve at a baseline. Finally, some carbohydrates are rich in nutrients but do not have high content of resistant fiber, such as instant oatmeal, potato without skin, pumpkin without skin, millet, tofu, and some others. Incorporating some of these carbohydrates into the recovery diet may help increase nutrient intake and recover the gut microbiota. These strategies, especially the last two, require guidance from physicians or dietitians or nutritionists. A phenomenon that I have observed quite often is that people do not follow a high fiber plant-based diet under a regular health condition, but change to such a diet after getting sick. Then find the high fiber diet intolerable. The timing especially the aggressiveness of dietary change, for that moment may not be appropriate. Lifestyle modification needs to be specifically tailored to individuals' physiological features. Thanks for watching. Please leave comments and questions below. For more integrative medicine topics, please subscribe. I will see you soon.